Module 3. Insert tab. Welcome to Module 3, the Insert tab in PowerPoint. This tab is an essential tool for enriching your slides with various elements such as tables, images, multimedia, and more. By using the Insert tab, you can create visually engaging and interactive presentations, making your content more dynamic and impactful. Let's explore its key features. Tables group. The tables group allows you to organize data effectively by inserting tables. You can quickly add rows and columns or even draw a custom table to suit your layout. For example, to add a table, click on the Insert tab. In the Tables group, select Table. Drag to choose the number of rows and columns, or select Insert Table for a customized size. Once inserted, type directly into the cells. Images group. The Images group enables you to enhance your slides with visuals. Add images from your computer, search for online pictures, or capture a screenshot of your screen. For example, to insert an image, go to the Insert tab. In the Images group, click Pictures, then choose This device. Browse your files, select an image, and click Insert. Your image will appear on the slide, ready for adjustments. Illustrations group. The Illustrations group offers a range of tools for adding visual elements, including shapes, icons, and charts. Use SmartArt to create visual diagrams or 3D models to make your presentation interactive. For example, to create a SmartArt graphic, go to the Illustrations group and click SmartArt. Select a category such as Process or Hierarchy and choose a design. Click OK and enter your text into the placeholder. Or to add a chart, click Chart in the Illustrations group. Select a chart type like bar, pie, or line and click OK. Enter your data in the Excel window that opens and the chart will appear on your slide. Links group. The Links group helps you create connections within your presentation or to external content. You can add hyperlinks to slides, websites, or documents. For example, to add a hyperlink, highlight your text or select an object. Click Link in the Links group. Enter the URL or select a slide within your presentation, then click OK. Text group. The text group allows you to add and customize text elements, insert text boxes, stylized word art, or headers and footers to enhance your slides. For example, to add slide numbers, go to the text group and select header and footer. Check options like slide number, date and time, or footer. Apply the settings to all slides or the current slide. Media group. The media group is your go-to for incorporating multimedia. Add videos, audio files, or even record your screen to make your slides more engaging. For example, to insert a video, click Video in the Media group and choose This device. Select a video file and click Insert. Resize or reposition the video as needed, and it's ready to play. By using the Insert tab, you can add creativity, functionality, and interactivity to your PowerPoint slides. These tools are key to making your presentations not just informative, but also visually captivating.